Ready to dive into the meme coin mania and snag some bread directly from your Coinbase wallet? Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Coinbase Wallet app downloaded and set up. If you don't, pause this video and get that done first. We're assuming you already have some Ethereum or another compatible token like USDT in your wallet to swap for BRET. Now, tap the browser icon. It usually looks like 4 squares. To access the built-in decentralized application browser, this is your gateway to the DeFi world. Type in Uniswap or another decentralized exchange DEX like Uniswap into the search bar. Make sure you're using the official Uniswap site. Double check the URL. Once Uniswap loads, you'll need to connect your Coinbase wallet. Tap the Connect Wallet button and select Coinbase Wallet from the options. Now comes the fun part. In the From field, select the token you want to trade, likely Ethereum. If you want to trade USDT, select that, then enter the amount you want to swap for BRET. In the To field, you'll need to manually add the BRET token address. This is crucial to avoid scams. Always verify the BRET contract address from a trusted source like CoinGecko or Etherscan. Copy and paste the official contract address into the search bar. The BRET token should now appear. Click Import if prompted, acknowledging the risks of trading unfamiliar tokens, then select it. Review the swap details carefully. Pay close attention to the estimated gas fees. You can adjust slippage tolerance in the settings to allow for price fluctuations during the transaction. Higher slippage means the trade is more likely to go through, but you might get a slightly different price. If everything looks good, tap Swap. Your Coinbase wallet will pop up, asking you to confirm the transaction. Double check the details again. Then tap Confirm to submit the transaction. The transaction is now processing on the blockchain. This might take a few minutes. Once confirmed, BRET should appear in your Coinbase wallet. Congratulations, you now own BRET. Remember to always do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency and understand the risks involved.